morning, student of class 7. Today I am going to teach you English literature, second chapter, I Have a Dream. Page number 27, third para. I will start it. I am going to read, then after I explain. Of course, it never came to that, but when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. When out for a walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet Pekins. Sometimes at night, we would hear frenzied cackling from the poultry house, and in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. Timothy had to be chained up more often, and finally, when he began to stalk Mahmoud about the house with what looked like villainous intent, grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to a zoo. The nearest zoo was at Lucknow, 200 miles away, reserving a first class compartment for himself and Timothy. No one would share a compartment with them. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the Jew authority were only too glad to receive as a gift a well fed and fairly civilized tiger. Now listen carefully. Of course, now here the writer of this chapter, Ruskin Bond, is saying that of course it never happened in previous time. Now, what happened not happened previous time here. Timothy, when Timothy was nearly 6 months old, there is a change, because you know that Timothy the tiger was a wild animal. And now what changed? Because this time he was less friendly. He was trying to eat anything, whatever he was thinking. And then whenever he was going with the narrator, with the writer of this chapter, as a morning walk, he was trying to catch everything, whatever he sees, maybe any cat, dog, or anything else. Sometime at night, we would hear frenzied cackling from the poultry house, and in the morning there would be feathers. And sometimes at night, we would hear, means Raskimon, the narrator, said that we are noticing what in during night time we are noticing the cackling sound from where? From the poultry farm. There is a poultry farm, you know that, for chickens. So we are hearing, and early in the morning, only what? Only feathers are there. It means what? Timothy the tiger has eaten. And now mostly now Timothy had to be, now what, the narrator or grandfather, both they realized now Timothy the tiger should be changed up, and every time he was totally changed. And they have noticed what happened in the Mahmoud the cooks. And after, what happened? Grandfather, means Ruskin Bond, the writer's grandfather, has decided that it's time to transfer. Where? Timothy the tiger to transfer where? Transfer into Jew. Not, it's not suitable for him. Where? In the house to live. So now, and the nearest Jew was at Lucknow. Now this time, the grandfather had reserved a first class compartment for Timothy the tiger and grandfather. No one was there. No one will be there. Only grandfather and Timothy the tiger. And after, when they reached Lucknow Jew, now the Jew authorities were very happy, extremely happy. Why? Because they are receiving a gift like Timothy, a gift for them. Why? Because this one, a well fed, means strong, and a civilized tiger, cultured like civilized tiger. They are too happy. And about 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. I was not there to accompany him, but I heard all about it when he returned to Dehra. And arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner, full grown, with a magnificent striped coat. Now, about 6 months later, after 6 months, what happened? My grandparents were visiting. Means Ruskin Bond, the writer's grandparents actually visiting. They are going where in Lucknow, and now they have decided. Grandfather has decided that I will go to the zoo also, and now to see how Timothy was there, how he was doing, what he was doing, and I was not. Means the writer of this chapter means Ruskin Bond. He was not with grandfather, but he has heard everything. After when grandfather returned from Lucknow, he said everything to the writer. And now what he was, grandfather made straight for the particular case in which Timothy had been interned. The tiger was there, and grandfather, after reaching at the zoo, now grandfather is going straight towards the Timothy's case, where he was actually locked, imprisoned. And now the tiger was there. Timothy the tiger was there, and that was actually full grown, full in size, magnificent striped coat, full was there, and he was. It means the tiger was crouched in a corner. Now after next page. Hello, Timothy, said grandfather, and climbing a railing with he put his arm through the bars of the cage. The tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ears, and whenever he growled, smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. Hello, Timothy. After reaching there, now this time grandfather said to the tiger, "Hello, Timothy," and now then after the tiger near very closer to him, and now he put his arms were on the bars, and now the tiger approached towards the bar, and now grandfather was put both hands were on his head, and now hitting just baby tigers on forehead. And now what happened, and tickled his ear means just smoothing his ears, and after that he has now hitting in his mouth, etc. means old way to how to take care of. And now what, he licked grandfather's hand and only sprang away with a leopard in the next case snarling at him. He licked, and after what happened, now the tiger has started to lick who, grandfather's hand. And but actually there was a leopard next case. There was a leopard, actually leopard is actually roaring on him, and now grandfather shoot the leopard away to go back, okay, like this he said. And tiger returned to lick his hands, but tiger means that tiger actually licking his hands. And now leopard actually trying to trying to catch, rushing toward the bar, but the tiger is actually angry on it. A number of people had gathered to watch the reunion when a keeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. Now what means, the when grandfather was next to the bar, now the tiger was licking his arm, and now everyone, whoever the people are there, they were totally surprised. And now after a keeper, zookeeper has pushed his way, and now he came and asked to grandfather, "What are you doing, sir?" Now grandfather replied, "Actually, I am talking to Timothy. Were not you here when I gave him to the Jew 6 months ago?" And now grandfather has said, "When I have given to this Timothy the tiger to the Jew, I think you were not there." Now he said, "I have not been here very long, sir," said the surprise keeper. Now gatekeeper has said, "No, sir, actually I was not for more time, but please continue your conversation, but I have never been able." Now he said, gatekeeper has said, means zookeeper has said, no problem, sir, continue your conversation, but I am not able to touch him myself, and he is always bad tempered. Actually he said that I am